and topic adaptations in plants. So children, in the previous class we have learned the definition of adaptation, habitat, and according to the habitat, plants are of two types, that is terrestrial and aquatic plants. So what are terrestrial plants, children? Plants that grow on land are known as terrestrial plants, and then what is aquatic plant? Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. So children, let us discuss aquatic plants in the next class. So let me just revise what we have learned in the previous class. We have learned the terrestrial plants, how these plants grow, survive and adapt themselves to the surroundings, and also how it adapted itself in the particular temperature, how it grows. We have discussed, that is plants in plains, plants in coastal areas, plants in hilly areas and plants in deserts we have discussed. So let us today learn the next point, that is plants in marsh areas. And after that, plants in grasslands, plants in rainforest. So let us learn about the children. So how does plants grow in marshy areas? So in marshy areas, children, the soil is sticky with lot of water. So open the textbook, see the picture here. So in marshy areas, the soil is clayey with lot of water in it. There is very little air in between the soil particles. There is very little air in between the soil particles. So the plants growing in these areas have roots that grow above the soil to breathe in air. Okay. So the plants in these areas have roots that grow above the soil to breathe in air. Such roots are known as breathing roots. What they are known as? Breathing roots. You can see it, mangroves, as in mangroves. Okay. So children, because the soil is clayey and has very little air in between the soil particles, so the roots cannot breathe there. So they grow above the ground and they breathe. Okay. The plants that grow in sticky and clay soil is called mangroves. What they are called? Mangroves. Okay, next is plants in grasslands. So turn to page 18, children. You can just see the example picture they have given here. So how does plant grow here? So children, grasslands receive very less rainfall. Grasslands receive very less rainfall. The plants are adapted to develop roots in order to absorb water in the deep soil. Okay, because it receives very less rainfall, so the roots are adapted. So the plants are adapted to develop roots that grow deep into the soil to absorb water from the deep soil. Okay, so like that it has adapted itself. And then large area of grassland is covered with grass and wildflowers. So two examples they have given here: foxtail and ray grass are examples of grasslands. Foxtail and ray grass are examples of grasslands. Okay, next is plants in rainforest. So children, rainforest receive very heavy rainfall. Okay, rainforest receive heavy rainfall. They are also known as hot and wet forest. They are also known as hot and wet forest. They are also known as hot and wet forests. So the tall trees are evergreen and have thick crown. Tall trees are evergreen and have thick crown. Short trees and climbers also grow in rainforest. So examples of rainforest are palm and orchids are some examples of rainforest. Okay, children. So these are the terrestrial plants what we have discussed till now. Okay, in the next class, let us discuss the aquatic plants, about floating plants, fixed plants, and then submerged plants. So these are the terrestrial plants what we have learned earlier. That is plants in plains, plants in deserts, plants in marshy areas, plants in grasslands, plants in rainforest. So children, all these we have discussed. So the plants, how they develop special features to adjust themselves to the surroundings we have discussed. I hope you have understood. In the next class, along with the pictures, I will show you the water plants, that is aquatic plants, and we will discuss about that. Okay. See you in the next class. Thank you.